Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com for more details about the online courses we offer. As I'm sure you're aware, last week was International Women's Day. And I have to say, it's depressing how important and necessary such a day still is. Depressing because even though we've made progress, we still have a long way to go. Women are still treated unfairly by the legal system. Women are still underrepresented in politics and in big business. Women are still more likely to be on low pay and to be struggling. One of the more depressing stats I read on International Women's Day was that over the course of a lifetime, women can earn up to $1 million less than their male counterparts. And even in jobs where men and women are basically doing the same work, women's wages still lag far behind men's. If you say one thing lags far behind another thing, you basically mean that the first thing is not as successful or as advanced as the second thing that you mentioned. It's also got a more literal meaning. So when you're walking, you might find that one person in your group lags behind and you have to stop and wait for them to catch up. Maybe in classes, one student starts to noticeably lag behind and you maybe have to give them some special help or assistance. And here in the UK, yet another thing we can be proud of. Our business leaders lag far behind their European counterparts when it comes to foreign language abilities. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students and your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use lag behind.